guys, welcome back. In the previous lecture, we added the functionality of date function in our Jarvis. Now we are gonna add the functionality of greeting. Like when we run our Jarvis, it will greet us according to the time. If it is a morning, it will say good morning. If it is a like afternoon, it will say afternoon. If it's evening, it will say good evening, or else it will say good night. For that purpose, we need date a time to because our Javas will like check the time and the time from the perspective of time it will say good morning or good evening, good night. Now I'm in a Jupyter notebook. For that purpose I will also like make a function by using a def keyword. Now you name of the function wish me, then a colon sign. You have to get hour, daytime dot daytime dot now dot hou. It will basically tell us the time in hour. Hour mean 24-hour watch clock, not a 12-hour watch clock. It's basically 24-hour watch clock and will tell us our only time in hour only. Like it's 12, it's 13, 14, something like that. We're gonna use if and else condition. If hour is less than, or you can say greater than 6 and hour less than 12, it means it is morning. So it will say speak good morning sir. Alif hour greater than 12 and hour less than 18, it means afternoon. Speak good afternoon. Alif hour greater than 18 and hour less than 24, then speak good evening. Else, of course, more than 24, yeah, more than 24, it means it's gonna be night now. It will say good night, it's time to go to bed. Let's run this code. Now call this function wish me.
Good night.